In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail delegation. Let's get started by accessing your Gmail account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail login page. Once you've successfully logged in, take a moment to get comfortable on your home page because we're about to delve into the settings. In the top right corner of your Gmail interface, there's a little gear icon. This represents your settings, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down will appear, and from here, you'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. Clicking this will bring you to a comprehensive settings menu where you can fine-tune nearly every aspect of your Gmail experience. Now, keep an eye out for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in a section offering a variety of options related to importing and managing accounts. Here is where the magic of granting access will happen. Next, locate the section titled Grant Access to Your Account. You'll see an option to Add Another Account. By clicking on this, you're taking the first step towards delegating access to your emails. You'll be prompted to enter an email address, so ensure it's the email of someone you trust to handle your emails, someone who knows their way around Gmail. Once you've entered their address, click Next Step. This will lead you to a straightforward confirmation step. You'll now see an option that says Send Email to Grant Access. By clicking on this, Gmail will dispatch an email to your delegate with instructions on how to proceed. They will need to accept this invitation to access your account. Once you complete these steps, the person you've designated as a delegate will receive an email detailing how to accept your invitation. It's important for your delegate to follow the instructions in that email to gain access. Just a note, after the invitation is accepted, it might take a little while, up to 24 hours, for the access to be fully granted. So, don't worry if it doesn't work immediately, just give it some time. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how you can set up Gmail delegation. This is an amazing tool if you need a helping hand managing your inbox, ensuring that important emails are acknowledged even when you're too busy to check them yourself. Make sure that your delegate is someone you trust implicitly, as they will have access to all your communications once delegated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find Gmail delegation as useful as I do.